what's an idea, how to come up with an idea, how to validate an idea, and how to communicate an idea. This is part 2 out of 3. So if you haven't watched part 1, make sure you do so. And if you like what you're watching, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. And let me know what else you would like to see on this channel. Now let's talk a little bit about working as a team, because this is one key element as well when it comes to ideation or idea generation. Now, I don't really like the word brainstorming, but it's commonly and widely used as well. There are many tips and many tools to work together as a team and come up with ideas. It's not always a love story. It's lots of ups and downs. It's normal. It's part of the process. You're not gonna agree with everyone. You're not gonna like everyone's input. It's just part of it. And it happens. If it doesn't happen, then there's something wrong. And yes, it is challenging, but it's not impossible. So there isn't one way or one secret recipe for working together as a team. One of the key things is to agree on how to agree, like how you and your teammates you already know, so you already work together, you know each other, or a bunch of new people you have to work with for, let's say, a hackathon or a jam or a startup weekend kind of session or whatever it may be. So for sure you can find a way to agree on how you can agree together. But as long as everyone on the team is in for that and ready to let go. And when I say let go, it means it's not my idea and I'm stuck to it and I don't want to explore anything else. It's about letting go and letting egos go as well. It's about teamwork here. It's not about my idea of my single person or a single individual. So one should be open to listening to other people's ideas, to other suggestions, not to fall in love with their own idea and letting go. So we don't single-handedly create an idea or build an idea. We co-create it. It's together. This is where the magic happens. Because if you're like, you have one idea, it's kind of one perspective. And an idea, by the way, on its own, what is it? It's nothing. It's meaningless. It's like words in the air. It needs to happen. It needs to become tangible, to become concrete. And this happens when you collect different brains, you put them together and you allow them and give them this space to be able to share whatever's on their mind, but also help each other to grow and build something together. And this is really fun. And one can be surprised of the amount of work and results and learning and outcomes that can happen in so little time, just by letting go and being open. And some common pitfalls as well. If you have an idea, don't assume that people will love it and just want it or want to use whatever you're building. Not gonna happen. And if you're not really sure and you truly believe that you came up with the next best thing, Google's your best friend. Just do a simple search and you will be surprised by the amount of information you will find out there. A simple search of 5 minutes can give you a lot of insights. And if something doesn't exist at all, that's a bad sign, because this unique idea that you're trying to build is very, very rare that it's gonna be likely to happen.
I'm sorry.
So be open to seeing something similar, but also see, okay, where are the opportunities that I might have there? And your initial gut idea or gut feeling idea is not going to be your last, especially when you start building on top of it and making it and transforming it into something that could potentially work. I mean, look at products around you. Amazon started selling books. And what is Amazon now, right? Selling just everything and more than this. Look at Instagram. It started off by just taking pictures with nice filters, and look at Instagram today. Airbnb as well. All these products started somewhere and then expanded and grew, maybe following kind of the vision that they had by being kind of already wide enough, but they had the flexibility to do what they were trying to build over time and to achieve this with good delivery as well. I'm just gonna share one very basic way of working as a team. Let's say you're a team of 3-4 people and you can list your top priorities in writing individually. So each one of you will write his or her own priorities on a post-it note, one idea per post-it note individually. Then once this step is done, you can share together as a team and place the similar or common top priorities together in a cluster. And then you can individually vote on them. So you take like some small stickers or put it out on the cluster, and then there we go. You kind of decided on something, and then you can move on. So this is one of the ways of moving forward. So one key element is making decisions quickly. You don't have all the time in the world to do this, so just do it. That was one tip. You can search all over the internet. You can find many other ways of doing that. Now let's talk a little bit about pitching or presenting your idea. First of all, you need to know who you're presenting to. Are you presenting to clients? Are you presenting to potential partners? Are you presenting to investors? It's very important to know who is the audience, because there isn't one pitch that works for all. So this will really vary over time, not only in terms of your audience, but also in terms of your product and your growth and the way your brain will be functioning and connecting the dots. So just keep it simple. This is a rule that works all the time. And assume that your audience doesn't know at all what you're talking about or what you're about to present. So keep it very simple, as if you're talking to your grandmother. And also, and this is one thing I've seen numerous times, is don't try to convince yourself by trying to convince others. I mean, this is so clear in general when you try to add things and say things and try to justify every single word you're trying to say, because this would show a lack of confidence and uncertainty from your end. So keep this in mind. And this goes back to what I was saying at the beginning. Keep it short and sweet. Don't take all the time in the world just to answer one very simple question or communicate your idea. One more thing, be visual. An image is worth 1,000 words. Balance it out. That's how I'm calling it. Stay tuned, hit the subscribe button and the bell. The next video is coming out soon.